We have a variety of things. We've got heirlooms out today, our cucumbers, our Berkleaf cucumbers. We have radishes, squash, regular hybrid tomatoes. We have our potato crop that's coming on strong. We have 5 or 6 different types of potatoes. People have to eat. Most of us have to eat. So people are slowly coming back to us. It's a little bit more difficult when we were at a different location at the convention center, but we're back here at home at the OP Market vicinity. And so we're getting some of the neighborhood folks. As you can see, we're getting the kids coming out. We see that 95% of the people are following the guidelines and they're protecting themselves, which are in turn protecting us. So I think the market's done a great job, and we're simply here to sell and feed people, and we're doing it.
I'm actually really excited. My wife and I were bummed that it was at Overland Park Convention Center because we just moved here in the fall, and so we're excited to be able to walk here. I feel like all the vendors do a really good job of keeping the distance, making people stand farther apart. My wife and I have actually been really amazed at how well people social distance and then the amount of people that wear masks. We find everything we need and we're excited about it.
It's working out pretty good. Hello, Dave. Working out fine. They're probably about half of what they were last year, probably because a lot of people were afraid to come, but it's been pretty good. We wear masks and try to get by. Hope for the best.
And I can tell that they're growing back to their normal status, but it's been really nice, and today's been a beautiful day to do that.
Do you want dark or milk?
Ooh, dark. Let's do dark.
Dark?
Yeah. That'd be
The Overland Park Convention Center parking lot worked when it needed to work, but this is much nicer. I'm glad to be back in downtown Overland Park. The parking lot's not so big, so I don't think it'll be as hot for us as vendors, and we get to see all of our old familiar faces.
It feels wonderful to be close to home here. We're getting closer to the pavilion. We are seeing a lot of our old customers that we didn't see so much when we were out at college. So they're very happy that we're back here. We are hoping that we picked up a lot of new faces when we were out at the convention center. So we're hoping that they will make that little extra trip in here as well. But it's great to see so many familiar faces.